Good day, I'm Brent Barkos here with MacMor Industries for this episode of Feature Friday. I'm a territory manager here, and I'm also trained with MSA in soft goods inspections for harnesses and lanyards. Today we're going to continue with our series about the ABCDs of fall protection. If you haven't yet, make sure to check out our previous episode covering anchors. Body support is a key element of any fall protection system, keeping workers secure and properly positioned in the event of a fall. While full body harnesses are the industry standard for working at heights, other options like body belts or work seats can be suitable for specific tasks. At MacMor, we specialize in high quality harnesses designed to deliver maximum safety, comfort, and mobility. For this week's Feature Friday, we're highlighting the key features of body harnesses and showing you how to properly fit and inspect them to ensure that you're protected on the job. CSA identifies 5 distinct classes of full body harnesses, each type suitable for different purposes, but the key is to find the one that meets your work requirements. Starting off with Class A, fall arrest. Harnesses support your body during and after a fall. These harnesses protect you when you're at 1.8 or 6 feet or more above the ground. They have a single dorsal D-ring positioned at your back's upper spine between your shoulder blades to keep you in an upright position. Class AD, suspension and controlled descent harnesses support and hold you while being raised and lowered at a work site. These harnesses have either a single D-ring between the waist and chest or a pair of D-rings at the waist and sternum levels. Class AE, limited access harnesses offer support while raising or lowering you in a near vertical position during entry and exit from confined spaces. These harnesses have D-rings on the shoulder straps to enable optimal positioning while working. Class AL, ladder climbing harnesses offer a certified fall arrestor that travels on a vertical lifeline or a rail. D-rings are on the front of the harness in the chest area for attachment to a vertical ladder system. Class AP, work positioning harnesses hold and sustain you at a specific location, allowing full use of your hands while limiting any free fall to 61 centimeters, 2 feet or less. These harnesses have D-rings on the hips for ideal positioning while on the job. It is always important to confirm your full body harness is the right harness class for the job. Always check your harness tag before committing to working at heights. In addition to these 5 classes, there are also arc flash harnesses that are constructed with materials that are resistant to heat, flame, and welding spatter. They're usually made out of Kevlar webbing. The back D-ring, also known as the dorsal D-ring, is essential for fall arrest and is commonly used in most fall protection applications. However, in twin leg lanyard configurations, the snap hooks typically connect to anchor points, not directly to the D-ring, which serves primarily as the worker's attachment point to the system. Side D-rings are used for positioning, work, and free-handing if required. Front D-rings are useful for ladder climbing systems and controlled descent. Next, we'll get into padding. Padding reduces the discomfort for long duration use, as well as helps distribute the weight more evenly. Next would be buckles and adjustment points. Quick connect, pass-through, or tongue buckle options provide different levels of convenience and security. Proper adjustment is essential to ensure a snug but comfortable fit. Next is webbing material. Polyester is common due to its durability and resistance to UV and chemical exposure. Next would be built-in lanyard keepers. Fairly common in many body harness models, lanyard keepers are usually found near the chest straps and are designed to hold the lanyard when it's not in use. These are particularly helpful when using a twin leg lanyard or PFLs whenever one of the 2 lanyard connectors is not attached to an anchor point. Next, we'll go into suspension trauma straps. While sometimes included in higher end harnesses, trauma straps are a worthwhile accessory that allow a worker to stand well suspended in their harness after a fall. This removes a significant amount of pressure from arteries and veins around the top of the worker's legs. Next, we're going to go into proper fit and adjustment. The harness should fit snugly without restricting movement. You should be able to fit 2 fingers between you and the harness. It is a good idea to hold a training session to teach everyone the right way to wear the gear. If it's not worn correctly, it may fail or cause unnecessary injuries during a fall. Next, we're going to go into inspection and maintenance. Pre-use inspection, very critical. Your harness likely includes a feature known as an impact indicator. You can verify the status of your harness by checking for frayed, cut, or damaged webbing, inspecting the buckles for proper function and ensure they lock securely, verifying the D-rings are free of corrosion and cracks, routine maintenance as well. You want to store your harness in a clean, dry location away from chemicals or direct sunlight. Avoid using harnesses exposed to excessive paint, grease, or oil without proper cleaning. Follow the manufacturer's recommendations always for cleaning and care on the user guide manual. Retirement and replacement. Any harness that is involved in a fall must be removed from service. Replace any harnesses that show excessive wear or fail in inspection. Follow the manufacturer's recommended service life guidelines. To wrap things up, a properly selected and fitted full body harness ensures safety, comfort, and efficiency when working at heights. Always follow the CCOHS and CSA guidelines when selecting and using body support equipment. Conducting regular inspection of soft goods, such as harnesses or lanyards, is critical. Look for signs of wear, fraying, cuts, UV damage, welding spatter, or chemical exposure. And always follow manufacturer's recommendation for inspection frequency and replacement. Like, share, and subscribe to stay informed on the best practices in fall protection. Stay tuned for our next video in our ABCDs of fall protection series talking about connectors.